The electric bike for adults, boasting powerful motor options ranging from 1000 W to 2000 W and impressive speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, is quickly becoming a popular choice among both casual riders and more serious enthusiasts. With a focus on performance, practicality, and versatility, this electric bike offers an enticing blend of features that cater to a variety of riding styles and environments. One of the standout characteristics of this electric bike is its powerful motor options. Depending on your specific needs, you can select from a 1000 W, 1200 W, 1500 W, or 2000 W motor. This flexibility allows riders to customize their experience, whether they are looking to navigate urban streets, tackle steep hills, or enjoy off-road adventures. The acceleration is impressive, enabling quick starts that make city commuting a breeze. The ability to reach speeds of 25, 30, or even 35 miles per hour with ease gives riders the exhilaration of speed while still maintaining control. The bike's design is particularly noteworthy. With a rugged frame that can withstand rough terrain, it is well suited for dirt paths, gravel roads, and urban environments alike. The dual suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, contributing to a smooth ride, even when faced with bumpy surfaces. This is especially important for those who plan to use the bike for off-roading, as it enhances stability and rider comfort. The bike's geometry is also designed for an upright riding position, which is comfortable for long rides. When it comes to power, the bike features a removable battery option with capacities of 48V 15AH, 48V 20AH, and even a substantial 52V 40AH battery. This variety allows users to select a battery that best fits their riding habits and distance needs. The removable design is incredibly convenient. It means you can charge the battery separately from the bike, making it easy to power up at home, work, or even a coffee shop. With the larger capacity battery, riders can expect an impressive range, often exceeding 50 miles on a single charge, depending on conditions, rider weight, and usage patterns. This kind of range is ideal for longer commutes or weekend adventures, reducing the anxiety of running out of power mid-ride. The bike is equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that shows critical statistics like speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assist mode. This information is not only essential for tracking performance but also adds to the overall user experience, making it easy to manage your ride. The inclusion of pedal assist and throttle modes allows for flexibility in how you choose to ride. The pedal assist feature is particularly useful for those looking to engage in a more workout-oriented experience while still benefiting from the electric boost, while the throttle mode is perfect for those times when you want to sit back and let the bike do the work. Safety features are also well integrated into this electric bike. It comes with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, which is essential when riding at higher speeds. Additionally, the bike is equipped with bright LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing safety on poorly lit roads. Reflective elements on the frame and tires further improve visibility, making it a good choice for urban commuting. One potential downside to consider is the weight of the bike. Due to its robust construction and larger battery, it can be on the heavier side, which might be a concern for some users, particularly when it comes to lifting or transporting the bike. However, for most riders, the benefits of stability and durability outweigh this inconvenience. In conclusion, the electric bike for adults with its powerful motor options, removable battery, and impressive range is an excellent investment for those looking to enhance their riding experience. Whether you are commuting to work, exploring nature trails, or enjoying leisurely rides around the city, this bike offers the versatility and performance necessary to meet a wide array of needs. With thoughtful design, elements aimed at both comfort and safety, this electric bike is well positioned to satisfy both novice riders and seasoned cyclists.